ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi, let's study consumer courts. There may be situations in which the consumers are not satisfied with the dealings of the producers and distributors. Under such circumstances, they can approach the consumer courts, which are mechanisms for assisting or helping them as per the law. Consumer courts play an important role in ensuring justice to the consumers. They settle consumer disputes by various means, including ensuring compensation for the consumers. The consumer courts are able to create confidence in the consumers and bring about a qualitative change in their lives. In India, consumers are utilizing the services of consumer courts operating fruitfully at 3 levels: district, state, and national. Look at this table. This table shows the structure and jurisdiction of the district, state, and national consumer courts. District Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum functions at district level. President and 2 members. At least 1 woman member. After collecting evidence based on the complaint filed by the consumer, verdicts are given where the compensation claimed does not exceed Rs 20 lakhs. State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission function at state level. President and 2 member. At least 1 woman member. State government has the right to appoint more members. Verdicts are given on consumer disputes where compensation claimed is above Rs 20 lakh but up to Rs 1 crore. National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission function at national level. President and not less than 4 members. Central government has the right to appoint more members. Verdicts are given on disputes where compensation claimed exceeds Rs 1 crore. The procedures of the consumer courts are different from those of the general courts. Let's study the important features of consumer courts. Simple procedures, fast assurance of justice, less court expenses. It is sufficient to submit before the court a written petition about the loss and damages faced by the consumer. A nominal fee is charged on the basis of the value of the compensation claimed by the petitioner. Let's study some situations when complaints about consumer disputes can be filed. When the purchased product is damaged or defective. Defective services received from government or no government or private institutions. Appropriation of price over and above the amount legally fixed or marked on the outer casing. Violation of the Prevention of Adulteration law. Sale of products which are harmful to life and safety. Loss due to trading methods which lead to unfair practices and limited consumer freedom. Giving misleading advertisement for increasing sales. Let's study the compensation for consumers' disputes obtained through consumer courts. Replacing the product. Repayment of cash paid or excess amount appropriated. Monetary compensation for the loss. Direction to rectify the defects in services. Stopping harmful trade practices. Prohibition of the sale of harmful food items. Reimbursement of the expenses incurred in lodging the complaint. Now, we are moving to the next topic, Consumer Protection Act 1986. Apart from the consumer courts, 3-level advisory councils have been set up. There are the District Consumer Protection Council, State Consumer Protection Council, and National Consumer Protection Council. The responsibility of this council is to advise the respective governments on consumer rights. Apart from the Consumer Protection Act 1986, there are many other acts for the protection of the consumers. Let's study the important consumer protection acts. There are Sales of Good Acts 1930. It ensures that the prescribed conditions of sale are met while purchasing products, violation of guarantee, warranty, after sale services, etc. come under this act. Agriculture Produce Grading and Marketing Act 1937. This act is meant for determining the standard of agriculture products. Essential Commodities Act 1955. This act protects the consumers from supernormal profit, hoarding, black marketing, etc. Weight and Measures Act 1976. This act is helpful in preventing cheating in weights and measures. Hope you understood about consumer courts.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.